Hello students, welcome to our mathematics part 2. Today we are going to solve examples from problem set 1.
Problem set 1. In each problem set, the first question MCQ. In question paper, this question is asked for 4 marks. First question, 4 alternative answers are given for every sub-question. Select the appropriate alternative and write the alphabet of that answer. First, sub-question, in triangle ABC and PQR in 1-to-1 correspondence, AB upon QR is equal to BC upon PR is equal to CA upon PQ. Then, out of these 4 alternatives, find out correct alternative. Therefore, first we write 1-to-1 correspondence for our convenience. A, Q, B, R, and for point C, that is P. In first alternative, triangle PQR, similar triangle ABC is given. For point P, 1-to-1 correspondence, point C, therefore first answer is wrong. So, we move to second alternative. Triangle PQR, similar triangle CAB. P for P, C, Q, A and R, B. This is correct. Therefore, B alternative is the appropriate answer. So, we write down the answer B. Here, we write only alphabet of the answer. Here, clearly instruction is given, write the alphabet of that answer. So, we write answer, that is B. Second sub question, if in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle D congruent angle Q, angle R congruent angle E. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by AA test. Now, then which of the following statement is false? इथं false statement शोधून काढायचं आहे. आता इथं काय दिलंय बघा, EF upon PR is equal to DF upon PQ. This is correct. Second one, DE upon PQ is equal to EF upon RP. EF upon RP is the correct, but DE upon PQ is wrong or a false. Therefore, this is the answer. जर समजा पहिला आन्सर आलं की उरलेले जे अल्टरनेटिव्ह दिलेले आहेत त्यांच्याकडे जायची गरज आहे का नाहीये. आता बी ऑप्शन आलंय, त्यानंतरचे पुढचे दोन बघायची गरज आहे का नाहीये. सो वी राईट डाऊन द आन्सर बी. Here we write the alphabet only. This is very important.
Third sub question, in triangle ABC and DEF, B angle B equal to angle E, F equal to angle C and AB is equal to 3DE, means AB upon DE is equal to 3 upon 1. Then which of the statement regarding the triangles is true? The triangles are not congruent and not similar. Here triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore, the first option is not true. Second option, The triangles are similar but not congruent. This statement is true. Therefore, we write the answer as a alternative B. Write down only alternative. Fourth sub-question. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2. If AB is equal to 4, then what is the length of D? This question we solved in practice set 1.4, question number 6. This is here. This is asked in MCQ. We already know the answer, that is 4 root 2. Therefore, we write the alternative answer, that is D.
Fifth sub-question. In figure, segment XY parallel to BC, then which of the following statement is true? ट्रायंगल ABC मध्ये XY हा BC ला पॅरलल आहे. म्हटल्यानंतर आपल्याला वाटतंय की इथं AX अपॉन BX इज इक्वल टू AY अपॉन YC असं आहे का कुठलं? AX अपॉन XB इज इक्वल टू AY अपॉन YC तर नाही आहे, हे पण नाही. मग अजून एका प्रकारे आपण हे दोन ट्रायंगलचा विचार करूया. हे दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होतील कसे ते बघा. दिस अँगल congruent to this corresponding angle and this angle congruent to this corresponding angle. Therefore, triangle AXY similar triangle ABC. त्यानुसार आपण जर रेशो लिहिला तर तो रेशो काय येईल? AX अपॉन AB is equal to AY upon AC. ठीक आहे. आणि जर ह्याचं आपण हा AB आणि AY हे काय केले? इंटरचेंज केले, अल्टरनेटिव्ह केलं तर काय येईल? AB अपॉन AC हा AB इकडे जाईल. AB upon AC is equal to AX upon AY. Therefore, this is the answer. Answer, that is A. Write down all these 5 sub-questions from question number 1 in your notebook. Second question. In triangle ABC, B dash D dash C, BD is equal to 7 and BC complete is equal to 20. Now first find out DC, that is DC काढायचं आहे. DC किती येईल? DC is 13, 20 minus 7. So first calculate DC, then here triangle ABC and triangle ABD and triangle ADC. In these three triangles, BD, DC and PCR lies on same line and A is common vertex. Therefore, all these three triangles having equal height. Write down the solution. DC is equal to BC minus BD, reason B dash D dash C. Now substitute the value. 20 minus 7 is equal to 30. आता आपण हा पहिला रेशो काढणार आहोत. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD. BD upon area of triangle ADC. Write down area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to BD upon DC. Reason, triangles having equal height. Equal height or heights. Equal heights. Now substitute the value. BD is equal to 7 and DC is equal to 30. Second, area of triangle ABD to area of triangle ABC. That is BD upon BC. Write down area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC is equal to BD upon BC. Reason same as above, that is triangles having equal heights. Now substitute the value, that is 7 upon 20. Third, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DC upon BC. Reason, triangles having equal heights. Is equal to DC, that is 13 upon 20.
Third question. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is 2:3 if the base of the smaller triangle is 6 cm, then what is the corresponding base of the bigger triangle? This is a question. Here ratio of areas of two triangle with equal heights is given. When the triangles having equal heights, then ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. Solution. Let A1 is the area of smaller triangle and A2 is the area of bigger triangle. Similarly, let B1 is the base of smaller triangle and B2 is the base of bigger triangle. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Write down the reason. Triangles having equal heights. Now substitute the values. Therefore, 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon B2. Now cross multiply. 2 into B2 is equal to 6 into 3. Write down. Therefore, 2 into B2 is equal to 6 into 3. Now B2 is equal to 6 into 3, 18 upon 2. Therefore, B2 is equal to 18 upon 2. That is equal to 9. 2 nines are 18. Write down the answer. The corresponding base of the bigger triangle is equal to 9 centimeter, highlight the answer. Complete all these questions and its solution in your notebook. Thank you.